Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Bookmarklet. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is web exploitation. The task is to find a flag by executing the JavaScript code of a bookmarklet. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and here we have the challenge. Let's read through the description. Why search for the flag when I can make a bookmarklet to print it for me? And then we need to launch the instance to get further details. Browse here and find the flag. So let's open the link. Welcome to my flag distribution website. If you're reading this, your browser has successfully received a flag. Here's a bookmarklet for you to try. And then we have a block of JavaScript code. Before we do anything else, let's have a quick look at Wikipedia to understand the concept of bookmarklet. A bookmarklet is a bookmark stored in a web browser that contains JavaScript commands that add new features to the browser. They are stored as the URL of a bookmark in a web browser or as a hyperlink on a web page. Bookmarklets are usually small snippets of JavaScript executed when users click on them. When clicked, bookmarklets can perform a wide variety of operations, such as running a search query from selected text or extracting data from a table. Okay, so let's see if we can get this to run then. Let's add this as a bookmark. Now that we have this bookmarked, let's copy the JavaScript code and then let's edit this bookmark and enter the JavaScript code here. And then when we click the bookmark, we get the flag. So picoCTF page turner. Okay, let's copy it. And let's head back over here and submit the flag. Hooray, we solved the challenge. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.